Hello guys, in front of me is SONY Xperia 5 and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So, for the first you have to go to the thing you want to take a screenshot, and in my case it will be this little cute spider and his eyes. So I will be zooming a little bit like this, and now you have to press power button and the volume down button. So first power key and volume down key. And as you can see, screenshot is taken, and now you have also just edited, share, all delete. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.